Oh yes. That's okay.
Aruba to come Kenya biko.
Madam again.
Aruba to come Kenya.
I'll need a translator, but let's go on. And they want to Mama Jesus, Madam Theresa Membo so all the way from Abagana. And of course,
MC Clockwise is Wami Otwa. You are sweet. Otwa, sweet.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. I wish I could say the same for you.
Jesus!
You can go on, but don't interrupt me next time.
Was MC Clockwise, all the way from Abiriba, small London. Adapokwanem Abiriba, last born.
Abiriba?
Last born.
You know, that thing is spelled A. Why don't you say A?
Abiriba. I'd spell it as A, but pronunciation is E, Abiriba.
Okay. Well, you know why we're here, obviously. This is dialect exchange. I'm gonna have Abagana number, and my guest will be speaking.
Abiriba.
At your state. Let's go. Now, the first statement. Oh, yes. The first statement is, open the door.
Mepono. Hey! Asimu mepono.
Ono bodo.
Ono bodo. Ono bono. Onora.
Well, that is absolutely unusual. What we say, rather, is meperumuzo. Meyerumuzo. You know, there are different ways of saying it. Too basic. You mean how you look? I mean, we're just exchanging pleasantries.
Okay.
The next statement. Now, what we have there is chair.
Agada.
What you lose and
Agada ya deji duod.
Yeah, you do duod.
Unda bengen.
I'm going to need duodable to give advice.
Ebroda boya ndomodo.
Manansege, Janoran can duod. That's to give advice.
Bia duod kam no ndomodo.
Duod being sick.
Everybody portion.
Get better about portion.
Oh, portion is sweet. Everybody
I'm rather confused. But what we say is oche, you know, very simple. Oche. Butoche canodana. Butoche, you know. I am a lobby. Butoche.
Ginibu oche. Oche. On the chengene. Oriente.
How do you feel on that losing in America?
Photo.
A security man. Let's go on to the next one. That man is ugly.
Walk on the obela.
Eleu.
If you want to talk to me direct. Don't go through the corners.
But each of us is mad. Oh, each of us mad. Oh, your John Joy Bricho, 8 botia Cassia, Obe, Bia, Obela.
Obe, but I'm mad. Obiageli. But what we say, and back then, I'm so grateful that you took your mother's genes. Because your father, just a beast. But we thank God.
You want that?
Let's just go on to the next word. The next word is a spoon. Yes. A spoon. You might have a spoon on gaji. Yes, on gaji.
I like where unkom.
The next word is egg.
Egg fan.
Say that again.
Egg fan.
Should I get an umbrella? Because you're pretty much spitting on me. Get it out here.
Egg fan.
Just go.
I
like where
on that paper.
I like it one change because you should be laughing at yourself. Get about egg fan.
Egg fan.
Because meaning is it's raining.
I see my egg fan. Egg fan will cry. Egg fan. Egg.
So spell it, please.
Egg fan. It's spelled about EKWA. Ikpokwania kpodabu EKFA.
Egg fan. When I say no bundibo. Dissect yourself. Oh, money.
If I believe virgin man and everyone Opo.
You want to
Opo duku. Akpo onyo uku.
But I asked a question. You want to
didn't know.
Ijobo.
Mamma, you I
Oh, I got the rugby. He's the Nori.
and then now they didn't.
Well, if I not where we go.
Ego.
Yes.
Ego.
Ego.
When you want what I ego.
I man the girl Mwake Ego. You know, it's usually a short form for the word, for the name Mwake Ego. Mwake Ego. But in your case, Mwakaroko Ego. The final statement. Having sex.
That banging.
If I not be able. When you talk about I don't know. But let me just say it. I mean, I did it to get my children. If I not be able to more be locked. I want to go see Adam. Are you pleased? So let's just move on from it quickly. You not be.
As soon as I do no bow. I do no bow.
Give me a bow.
I want to throw up.
Is that how you feel when you see yourself in the mirror? Translate it, please.
Ini
Ipu.
Ina ipu.
Ira ipu.
Akpa ya camera is serious. Abo ngene mo elat.
Anya kids take back.
I am married. Ini ipu even the girl. Efu abi.
Oh yes.
So do come check wa go.
I don't want to say Abiriba, but only money never. This Bonyala. Thank you so much for joining us on this episode of Dialect Exchange. Madam Theresa Membojiso, all the way from Abagana. And my guest, of course, is
MC Clockwise. Owo favor answer. Abiriba last born, all the way from Abiriba. Kane.
Thank you, Cardinal. Gonna be Friday night.
Ifench.
Did
Did
you just touch me?
Did you touch me?
Did you touch me?